Planters are more than just containers for plants. They are the stage on which your greenery can shine, and when made from reclaimed wood, they carry with them a story of transformation, sustainability, and rustic charm. In a world where people are constantly looking for ways to live more eco-consciously, reclaimed wood planters stand out as the perfect fusion of functionality, style, and responsibility toward the environment. Hello, welcome back to Kuki Decor, the channel where creativity, sustainability, and timeless style come together to inspire your home and garden. Today, we are diving into a truly exciting and beautiful project theme: nature-inspired, reclaimed, eco-friendly wood planter ideas. So, in this video, we'll explore inspiring designs, rustic and modern aesthetics, and DIY approaches that can help you transform old, forgotten pieces of wood into breathtaking planters that look like they came straight out of nature itself. Whether you're planning a small indoor oasis, a balcony garden, or a full outdoor landscaping project, these ideas will not only enhance your space, but also leave you with a deep sense of connection to the earth. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our rustic, modern, and eco-friendly decor inspirations. Let's begin with the essence of why reclaimed wood planters are so powerful. Reclaimed wood is not just recycled material, it is wood with character, carrying years of natural weathering, textures, and tones that new lumber can never replicate. Every scratch, knot, and grain tells a story, and when you turn that into a planter, you are not just crafting decor, you are reviving history. Imagine building a rectangular box planter from wood once part of a barn wall, where every groove speaks of years spent under the sun and rain. Place that box in your garden, and suddenly you have an object that harmonizes with both the plants it holds and the natural environment around it. That is the magic of nature-inspired reclaimed wood planters. They feel like they belong, as if they were always meant to cradle life. From rustic farmhouse designs to sleek, minimal eco-friendly styles, the possibilities are endless, and each project can be customized to reflect your unique space and personality. One of the most popular reclaimed wood planter ideas is the simple wooden box planter. These are incredibly versatile and can be made in any size, from small tabletop planters for succulents to larger rectangular planters perfect for herbs or flowers. The beauty of using reclaimed wood lies in its imperfections, the uneven edges, the weathered tones, and the distressed surfaces that naturally add depth to your planter. You can leave them raw for that authentic rustic look, or sand them down and add a clear eco-friendly sealant to protect the wood while preserving its natural texture. Now, if you want something more vertical and space-saving, reclaimed wood can be transformed into beautiful wall-mounted or freestanding vertical planters. This is perfect for small apartments, balconies, or patios where space is limited but greenery is desired. You can use old wood planks to build a rustic frame, and then attach smaller planter boxes or pockets where you can grow herbs, flowers, or trailing vines. The vertical style not only maximizes space, but also creates a lush living wall effect that looks like art while functioning as a natural air purifier for your home. Midway through our ideas, let me pause and remind you, if you're enjoying this journey into reclaimed wood planters and love the inspiration we share here at Kuki Decor, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue creating content that celebrates the beauty of nature, rustic design, and sustainable living. And if you're already part of our Kuki Decor family, thank you so much for being here. We appreciate every single one of you. Next, let's talk about multifunctional reclaimed wood planter benches. This is where creativity and functionality meet. By repurposing wide reclaimed boards, you can design a bench that incorporates planter boxes on either end. This type of piece works beautifully in a garden, patio, or even an entryway. Another wonderful reclaimed wood planter idea is the tiered design. With just a few pieces of reclaimed wood, you can create stacked planters that allow you to showcase multiple plant varieties in one compact space. These look incredible with cascading flowers like petunias or vines draping down the sides, while herbs or small shrubs sit on the top tiers. A tiered planter creates depth and dimension, making it perfect for small gardens that need a little extra charm. To enhance the eco-friendly aspect, you can even use natural finishes, like linseed oil, instead of chemical treatments, ensuring your planter stays in harmony with the environment. If you love a little artistry in your projects, consider carved reclaimed wood planters. Larger reclaimed logs or thick beams can be hollowed out to create natural-looking trough planters. These look like they came directly from the forest, seamlessly blending into any natural setting. They are especially stunning for outdoor gardens or rustic patio setups, where the organic shapes of the wood complement the lush greenery planted inside. For a truly nature-inspired vibe, you can pair these planters with wildflowers or native plants that match the raw, unpolished look of the wood. Don't forget about upcycled wooden crates and pallets, two of the most accessible reclaimed wood sources. Old fruit crates can easily be repurposed into charming rustic planters with very little effort. Just line the inside with a breathable fabric or burlap, add soil, and you're ready to plant. Pallets, on the other hand, can be disassembled and rebuilt into custom-sized planters that suit your exact needs. Both options are budget-friendly and allow you to get creative while reducing waste. Imagine an herb garden planted entirely in vintage wooden crates. That's not only beautiful, but also incredibly functional for daily cooking. At this point, you may already be imagining how these reclaimed wood planter ideas can bring warmth and greenery into your home. And if you are, now is the perfect moment to remind you once again, make sure you're subscribed to Kuki Decor so you never miss out on more creative, rustic, and sustainable design ideas. We love sharing this journey with you, and your engagement keeps the inspiration flowing. For those who love a touch of modern elegance with rustic charm, reclaimed wood can also be combined with other materials to create stunning contrast. Imagine a reclaimed wood planter with sleek metal legs, or a wooden planter box with glass inserts for a chic look. By mixing materials, you can create pieces that feel timeless and contemporary, perfect for interiors that balance minimalism with warmth. Finally, let's not forget the emotional side of creating planters from reclaimed wood. Every project you make is more than just decor. It's a statement of care for the environment, a creative expression of your style, and a bridge between past and present. By choosing reclaimed wood, you honor the story embedded in the material while giving it new life. These planters become conversation pieces, sparking curiosity about their origins and admiration for your creativity. They carry the soul of sustainability, reminding us that beauty can be found in the old, the weathered, and the imperfect. As we wrap up, remember that nature-inspired reclaimed eco-friendly wood planters are not just about growing plants, they are about cultivating a lifestyle rooted in simplicity, sustainability, and beauty. Whether you build a small tabletop box, a vertical wall planter, or a rustic carved log design, each creation will bring you closer to nature while enhancing your living space. Thank you for joining us today on Kuki Decor. I hope these planter ideas inspire you to take a piece of reclaimed wood and turn it into something extraordinary. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with friends who love DIY and rustic decor, and drop a comment below telling us which planter idea sparked your imagination the most. And of course, Don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly decor ideas that connect creativity with nature. Until next time, keep crafting, keep creating, and let nature inspire every corner of your home.